And my next video, I want it to be accurate. It should be 4. And let me test it after being repaired. And not showing what's causing the issues no matter what. And not because why you oil wanted it to be breaked. And then we are expending money and don't take any chances to win. It's supposed to be due. And then you ain't got it. There's so many issues. Okay, guys, and let me think about it. And running good. And running better. And let me test it again. And let me test it. You better can see. And running better. You're running better. And not showing wanting to break. And don't want it to break.
Hang with the gang from the Big Bang Theory, weeknights at 11 on Fox 5.
And not sure. It does one usually a band to repair. And you know why? So how many times I buy this machine? And guys, and stop and wasting money in the store and got it here. And supposed to be in go at the website and shop for this and then read the price point. Read it. It's supposed to be read. It should be 4. Shopping again. Go shop by the website. And guys, thank you. And to be persuaded, you are a running machine after repair. And this, and usually not repair well. Guys, thank you. And to be persuaded, and leave a comment and subscribe and to my channel. And then say you're supposed to be saying it. And one day I will do my Q&A videos. And have a nice day.